Yes, good morning. Today I am going to redo my bed setup. I have a couple reasons why I'm going to do that. For one reason, it's because I want to wrap the plywood, so it doesn't scratch my seat. And number two, I like the setup, but I feel like I could do better. Number three, the video that I had up there, it has a copyright. Part of it is muted. No one can really hear what I'm saying. So I am just gonna go back in here and change the whole thing and redo the video. And yeah, and I'm trying to get more room, more space, more, because it's way too cluttered in there. Like, I feel like I still can get rid of some stuff. All right, let's do this. I am going to take everything out of here and redo the whole thing. All right, so now that the back is all empty, I am going to put everything back in there. It is now 7:30 a.m. and I'm trying to get the whole thing done in 2 hours. So because I want to be at work and go deliver grocery for GoPuff and make some money. All right, so that's how the setting is. That's how it's empty. I don't have a broom or vacuum, so I'm just gonna dust it out. Just for protection, because I need a middle space in the middle right there. So that's what it's looking like. I put everything in the front up there for right now, so I'm just storing everything because I don't want to leave them out here on the ground. That looks kind of crazy. I'm gonna use these bed rails. I'm gonna raise the plywood because I like that space underneath the bed where I could store stuff. So that's a good idea. I'm keeping the way that was. So now I'm gonna put the plywood on the inside. All right, someone told me to put padding on the plywood so it doesn't ruin my leather seat. So that's what I'm gonna do, and plus it gives more cushion for comfortable sleep. I picked it up at Walmart. So I took it out of the plastic. It's just regular cushion. I forgot the name of it. I'm just gonna spread it out on the bed, on the plywood. See, I tucked the edges right there underneath. This is where I store my stove. See, I got a whole bunch of space under there. Whole lot. It's perfect right there. And I have this bin where I store my spices. These are all my spices and some noodles. This is the bin with my winter stuff. I think it should be good right here. Guys, this blanket, I can turn this blanket into a bag and put it over my shoulder and carry things with it. And then it turns out into a blanket. It's perfect. It's perfect. I found it somewhere online and I thought, what a great concept. So I bought it. So these are the strap of the bag. So I haven't wear it as a bag yet. And these are like the pockets on the inside. And I got this here. These are just the bag what I keep with my this is my hair stuff, some makeup, my gym bag. I just dump them in here because it's easy. Yeah, this is my clothes bin. This is it. Like I said, I had it has 3 compartments. The other one I already put in because I don't really use that part. I just put junk in there. You hear me? Junk. Like, what am I doing with junk? So this has 3 compartments. Like, this is my underwear, and these are just my clothes and top. These are my clothes and top. Like that. See that? So I like it open like this so I could get to it in the morning. So that thing is perfect right there. See? Let me hold the camera better. That thing is perfect. It's perfect right here where it is. I could get to it easy, breezy, no problem. And this is like pots and pans. I feel like this thing right here is taking up room, and I don't know what to do with this. If anybody have an idea how to, should I get rid of some of the pots and just have one pot for everything? Because I have 3 pots in there, and then I got more spices because I like to cook. Man, I'm so tired now. So that's my settings. I know it looks the same, but I feel like I got more room. That's it. It's now 10 a.m. I mean, it's now 9 a.m. And I finished the whole thing in an hour. The whole thing. 1 hour it took me to finish this up. Alright, so I am gonna run to the gym, take a shower, and we'll go to work. I'm gonna go down to GoPuff and deliver some groceries. Alright, I'll see you soon. Good morning. Yeah, let me get up. I'm gonna make some breakfast this morning. The bed feels so much better than it was because I wrapped it and do all of that stuff. Oh man, it is still dark out there. It's 5:45 a.m. I don't know why I'm up so early. I was trying to sleep in a little longer. This is a piece of plywood, and I'm just gonna put this here. So now I set up the spot so I can cook better, and it's perfect. It is. All right, so I'm gonna make this Hungry Jack. This is hash browns. This is all my trash right here. I always make sure I put them in a bag and put them in the front. Should be good. It's smoking in here. Like freaking smoking in here. Jeez. Because I wanted to get it nice and crispy. But there's smoke in here. I don't want anyone to see the smoke. So I'm just gonna finish up with it where it is. Oh my God. Should be good, right? I think it's good. I turn everything off, so. Man, this ash brown cost me $1 and some change at the Dollar Tree. It's really good. Today I am celebrating my 1,000 subscribers. Yay, 1,000, and keep going up. I thank you all so much for your support. I really appreciate it. I thank you. I thank you from the bottom of my heart. Thank you so much. It means a lot to me. And I thank you, everyone that's been here from the start. I thank you so much. I thank you. And this is where I'm going to end the video. I thank you so much. Have a blessed day. Bye-bye. Bye-bye.